Good morning, Scratch Kids. How are you doing? How are you holding up? Okay, I am recording this in the same day that I did May's menu. That's why you're going to see the same shirt. We are going to look at this cookbook. Now, I know everybody's seen ads with Escoffier School of Pastry Cooking and all that. Well, Chef Auguste Escoffier was a master chef. He brought the restaurant quality French cooking home to people. They learned a lot of your French cooks learned from this man. Whether they studied his book or they had the privilege of studying under him. I'm sure it probably didn't feel like a privilege at the time. Kind of like having the privilege of studying under Gordon Ramsay. It wouldn't feel like a privilege at the time and yelling at you, but they were made better chefs because of Chef. I'm not good with French names, so Escoffier, I think that's how you say it. There are a lot of things in here that more than likely I don't think I'll do. Like making a consomme. That takes so much time and attention and patience. I do not have the patience or the attention span or the mental bandwidth to do something like that. However, a broth or stock is super easy. You just take the bones, put them in a crockpot, put your flavorants in, like celery, carrot, onion, in your seasonings like parsley, rosemary, or something like that. Put them in your crock pot with water overnight. Get up in the morning, skin it, clear it out, take all that stuff out, and get it ready to can up or use right away. There you go. That to me is cooking. Something quick, easy, and ready to roll. Now they have a book on eggs, on appetizers, on what they call replacements, easements. Basically it's building a 7 to 10 course meal. I don't know about you, but I don't have time for 10. I'm not going to set for a 7 to 10 course meal. First of all, I'm not going to have room in my stomach for it. Neither are most people. But if you break this down, and if you really look at this book, it has your basic principles of cooking. It has a glossary of all the terms in French and in English. You have your brown stock that you make. It has fish stock. It all kinds of glazes. You have a Robert sauce. You can make a salami sauce. It's just an amazing amount of stuff in here that you can do. You got rapid gratin, light gratin. It's really a book that is well worth getting. I will say that much. I had this book years and years ago. I don't know what happened to it. So I was absolutely thrilled when I found it on Amazon under $20, and I had enough reward points from using Prime that I got it without paying a penny. Thumbs up for that, right? You have all different types of cooking methods, stewing, braising, roasting, grilling, water bath cooking. Then it's broken up into chapters for fish and seafood. You have, let's see, your relieves and entrees. Relieves would be in between the soup and the entree. First of all, we don't eat like that here in America. We pull a chair up and we start eating. That's here in the States. However, I'm sure if you go to I have no doubt you could take any of these and just really make a nice meal out of it. Like this beef stew Provence Provençal. Well, it says cold. I would not eat beef stew cold. I don't know many people that would. But you heat this up on a nice cold evening, totally dinner. Dinner done. You got chicken, pork. You got a chapter on wild game. Wild game is like pheasant, squirrel, roadkill. No, I don't think you would use roadkill. Anyway, you got salads, roast and salads. And, oh, okay. This is going to be the favorite chapter for any human. As you hear the cat on the other side of the monitor objecting. Desserts and sweets. Hello, yes. You got your mousses, you got your pastries, your glazes, your pies, your cakes, a cat video bombing you. Cookies, pastry. I already said pastry. But you get the general idea. And they also have ices, things that you make up, you throw in your freezer. You take a fork, kind of grate it. Makes like an icy type of thing. It has fruit preserves and jams. Yeah, making your own preserves and jams. Then there was a snails, mussels, and scallops. You have a section for menus. Hello. So it really gives you a wide variety of ways to use this book. Use the items in here. Now the ices, I've noticed that they have alcohol in them. So, that is a quick look at the Escoffier book. I think that's how you say his name. But it's well worth getting. It's a little on the thick side. With over 2,000 recipes. It's well worth money to get it. They go anywhere from $7.04 used, or collectible is almost $40. I got mine in between there at $20. Like I said, I used my Prime Reward points to get it. So I didn't pay anything. I will see you guys later.